Hey guys, it's Charlie with CompetitiveEdgeProducts.com. Over the years, I've had a lot of customers that have asked me if I've ever personally used these lag stakes that you simply bring your battery-operated driver out and sink them into the ground. I had never used them. Not until at least this last camp out that we went to on the beach. And I want to show you just what I like about them and what I don't like about them. If you're going to camp on grass, this 26-piece set would work awesome. They're 8 inches. They're about 80 cents a piece. I'm going to demo some 12-inch ones later in the video here, and they're about $6 a piece. Big difference in quality, though, you're going to see here in a moment. So first of all, this is a Kodiak tent stake. They're 12 inches, and they do very well. This is, as you can see, this is loose sand. It's not, clay or anything like that. So that's the Kodiak one, and it works great. That's what I've used for years. Haven't needed anything special, didn't need to use dead man anchors or anything like that. The stakes work just fine. But I wanted to show you these lag bolt stakes and see just what some of the benefits are to them. But it comes with its own drill bit. You can sink it in. You can see how fast you can sink it in. Much more helpful on a thicker soil, like if you're camping on grass or something that's rocky. Doing a bit of a stress test, though, the Kodiak stake wins on this one. You can see the other one starts to pull slightly. And then pulling them out of the ground, you can see this smaller 8-inch one just kind of came right out. So that's that one. Now, I think you'll be really impressed with this one, though. This is a 12-inch lag stakes. And this is the brand Holdia. They're about $6 a piece versus 80 cents, but I guess you get what you pay for. And on the beach, I would recommend these. They're 12 inches, just like the Kodiak stakes that the tents come with. Sorry about the noise you're about to hear, but I want you to hear the driver actually catches when you sink this one in, because it's thick enough. It's 9.5 millimeters in diameter versus 8. So you can actually, you put the bit in and you can actually hear it kind of stress a little bit and release some tension. Now, for those of you who own a driver, you know that sound is a good sound. That means it's really catching in there. So I'm going to pound this one in again, and I'm going to show you, we'll do a little bit of a stress test, and you can see the difference on how well they hold. We'll wrap a guy rope around both of them, and then pull it nice and tight so you can see what kind of stress they can take. You can hardly get the lag bolt to even move. And then when it comes time to take them out, check this out. I was holding the camera and I had to hand it over to my son because I couldn't get it out with one hand. So I was so happy that it was hard to get this one out. Of course, when you take it out, you use the driver, but I just wanted to demonstrate how nice it holds in there. It did well. It did well. So you can pound the Kodiak ones in, and they do a great job. If you're on thicker soil, you'll appreciate it even more because you just sink it in and you can reverse it and pop it out the same way, which might be one of the biggest benefits of all to it. But another pleasant surprise is these 12-inch stakes. This package came with a metal bristle brush, so you can clean off the dirt and sand and store it away clean. But I didn't realize that it was going to come with that, but it does a really good job. Well, that's the end of the video, you guys. If this was helpful, please give me a thumbs up on there. If you have any comments, please comment below. If you've used them yourself, give us some feedback. Let us know what you use. Again, the two that I used were this 26-piece set, and there's a link in the description. They were about 80 cents a piece versus these 12-inch ones, and they were about $6 a piece, but they really held up well. Thanks for watching.